Hi everybody, Tim Shea here with the Shea Group Realty of Keller Williams Realty in Beverly, Massachusetts. I'm here with another Hump Day helper for you and helping you stay connected and getting to know your neighborhood. I'm here with a great friend and Mike Jones of Leslie Ray Insurance. Mike, thanks for taking time to join us today.
Tim, thank you for having me.
Why don't you tell us a little bit about yourself? You're local to Beverly?
Yeah, I grew up in the North Shore. I've been here for about 30 plus years. I grew up in Wenham, graduated from the local high school. I moved to Beverly in 2007, where I was working in downtown Boston for 10 years prior to my 4 years. I've been with the insurance agency, and my wife and myself and our two kids, we've been in Beverly, like I said, since 2007.
Great. And you've been with Leslie Ray for a while too, haven't you?
Yeah, I just started my 4th year.
Wow. Okay. Would you tell us a little bit about Leslie Ray?
Okay, our agency was founded in 1954 by Leslie Ray. My father had joined Leslie Ray Insurance in 1980, and he took over the role as president and CEO in the late 90s. In 1987, Les's son David joined the office, and in 2015 he took over the role as the president and CEO of the agency. So it's been in two families for a considerable amount of time.
I know it's pretty much a staple in the city as well, in
Absolutely.
The local area.
You know, we do a lot with the communities. We want to be involved in the community. We're all part of local Rotary clubs. We do a lot with the local charities, the Beverly Bootstraps, Resolve at IT, and their BBQ and Brew that they do every summer. We're the co-sponsor.
Yeah. We're
also involved with the Wenham Museum and the Hamilton Wenham Community House. So we're a part of Beverly, but we're also part of our neighboring communities.
Yeah. You guys are great in the community. I have my insurance through Leslie Ray, but I've also had the pleasure of using some of the bigger online carriers. And when I say pleasure, I'm completely joking because it's really not. Maybe you could tell us a little bit about what makes you different from some of those carriers. I certainly know why.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, our office is one of 30 insurance agencies throughout the entire Commonwealth that have the designation of a 5-star agency, which is given to us by the state because of our rapport with our carriers, and we do meet certain classifications with our customer service, and we're reviewed on that every 3 years. The key thing that I can provide when I review your policy for your home and auto is I'm not just looking at it from the bigger companies that have one product. I have a half a dozen other carriers that I'm reviewing it against. So opposed to, okay, here's your price, take it or leave it, I can look at 5 other carriers to either mix and match to give you your best option to offer you the most protection for a fair price.
Okay, great. I couldn't have been happier making the switch over. Not only did you save me money, but I get to talk to you directly, so that's even the bigger bonus right there.
Exactly. I mean, that's the key thing that we have is we've had our same staff for many years that all know our clients, whereas you can call in and speak to myself or your customer rep on a regular basis opposed to calling the 1-800 number or going to a web page where you could be talking to somebody entirely different for every transaction. Yeah.
Why don't you tell people how they can get a hold of you?
Sure. We're right in North Beverly. We're at 129 Dodge Street. Our phone number is 978-927-2600. Our webpage is leslieray.com, and I can be reached at my email of mikej@leslieray.com.
Perfect. Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
Tim.
We're filming today in what would be someplace that I would probably visit every weekend with my family in the summertime. It's Woodmans of Essex, so it's a great location. So I'm going to stop here for a second, and then we'll bring in somebody special, Eian Woodman of Woodmans of Essex.
Fantastic.
All right. Hey there, so we're back here with Eian Woodman of Woodmans of Essex. Eian, thanks for taking time to meet with us.
Thank you very much for having me.
So my family and I are here every single weekend in the summertime, and we see lines all the way down. Would you tell us a little bit about Woodmans?
Sure. Woodmans is open year-round, so you can still come in the off-season. We've been here since 1914, the same family, so It's been a long time.
Yeah, it has. So now you do more than just the walk-in business. You have functions and clam bakes, and tell us a little bit about that.
We do off-site catering. We pretty much travel anywhere. We do have a big function facility. We do weddings and private parties as well.
Okay, great. Now, you also have your insurance with Leslie Ray, do you not?
Oh, yes. Ever since the mid-90s, if I can recall. Yeah. I was young then.
So, and what's your experience been like with Leslie Ray?
It's always been excellent, even with corporate insurance and also my personal. Why I pick Leslie for personal is just because of the relationship.
Yeah.
Not so much that I really know Mike, but everyone in the office as well.
Yeah, and that's the same experience that I have. You want to tell people how they can get a hold of Woodmans of Essex?
Oh yeah, you can always get a hold of us online at woodmans.com, or you can call our telephone number, which is 978-768 6057.
Great, great. Well, I just want to thank both of you for taking time out of your day today.
Thank you.
And if you guys have any questions about anything else, you know that you can always find me at mistalista.com. That's MISTALISTA, where I'm helping you stay connected and get to know your neighborhood. And until I see you out there, happy house hunting. Take care. Let's go get some clams.